Hello, today I'm unboxing Maniology's Mani by Me October box. First we have the Maniology Mani by Me card explaining the different polishes that come in this month's box. Next up is a sample mani using products in the box, and on the back are step-by-step directions explaining how you can achieve the look. Let's unwrap the tissue paper here and get to all the goodies. Alright, the polishes are coming in a box together. Then we have this month's free gift, which is an awesome multi-tool. Cannot wait to show this to you. Next up we have the plates. First up we have Mani-Me 089, which has a lot of singular Winnie the Pooh images, doing different things. There's some honey pots, bees, honeycomb. And then the next plate is Mani-Me 090. There's a lot of images that could be used across the set of nails, which is kind of fun. Here are the polishes this month. Sorry for the camera shake. We have Winnie, which is a creamy yellow, very soft. Then we also have Honey Pot, which is a regular polish, not a stamping polish, and it is gold flake and comes in an amber base. Alright, let's open this multi-tool. Again, this is the free gift this month. This will be available later to the public. Alright, so first off we have the fine tip detail brush, which will be great for reverse stamping. And then next up we have the cleanup brush, and as you can see both ends are threaded, so they'll be nice and secure in the handle. And the bristles are pretty stiff on the cleanup brush, which is nice. And there's also a cap. As you can tell, there's a big gem on the bottom, and that keeps the brush from rolling away, and you can stand it up so that if the tip is wet, it's not going to get your workspace dirty. So let's swatch. This is the first coat of Winnie. It's pretty good coverage for first coat. Really beautiful soft yellow. Here's the first coat of Honey Pot. Again, this is a gold flake and kind of an amber base, but it goes on pretty sheer. Not a ton of flakes in the first pass, which is kind of nice, gives you a lot of control. And here is the second coat of Winnie. I believe that with 2 coats you can reach full opacity with this color. Okay, here we have the second coat of Honey Pot. And as you can see, the flakes are building up. It still looks pretty sheer. But the flakes are such a beautiful size. There's a good mix of small to medium to large.